To get a bigger butt in a week, you'll need to do exercises that target your glutes and eat a healthy diet that promotes muscle growth. Try doing squats, weighted lunges, donkey kicks, and glute bridges, which all target the muscles in your butt. Do 3 sets of 20 reps for each exercise, and do your butt workout every other day, at least 3 times throughout the week. Eat foods that are high in protein, like eggs, fish, turkey, nuts, peanut butter, and yogurt. Eating more protein will help your muscles grow. Also make sure you're eating a balanced diet that includes healthy fats, fruits, and vegetables. Getting a bigger butt can take time, so continue exercising and eating healthy after the first week so you see more noticeable results.